In this video, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Jira. First, open your Slack workspace and make sure you have admin permissions or access to install apps. Next, go to the Slack app directory and search for Jira Cloud. After that, click on the Jira Cloud app and then click Add to Slack. Now, Slack will redirect you to sign in to your Jira account. Enter your Jira credentials and log in. Next, review the permissions and authorize the connection between Slack and Jira. After that, choose the Jira project you want to connect to Slack and confirm the setup. Now, go back to Slack and open the channel where you want Jira updates to appear. Next, use the Jira bot or / commands like /Jira to link issues, create tickets, or receive notifications directly in Slack. After that, you can also configure notifications so that updates like new issues, status changes, or comments are automatically sent to your Slack channel. Finally, test the integration by creating a Jira ticket and checking if it appears in Slack. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Slack to Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.